Warning, some viewers may find the following footage deeply disturbing.
Hello everybody, mahaba. How is everybody doing today? Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday.
Today is my birthday week, guys. It's not my birthday today, it's my birthday week. Guys, drop in the comments. Emma Han has been coming to the gym with me, guys. So watch this guy's transformation. You're gonna watch his body transform over the next couple months because we've been hitting the gym hard, right?
Yeah, man. It's so hard, but it's so nice.
Bruh. So Emma Han has invited me out tonight. You see I'm getting older, guys, but I can still hang with the young guys. So Emma Han has invited me out and we are in Ortaca. What are we doing, Emma Han? Tell us what we're doing.
We're going to concert now and we're going to be enjoy and we want you watching with us.
Yes. What's the concert about, Emma Han? Who's in the concert?
Kolpa.
Kolpa. Are they famous? Are they a big group?
Yeah, it's a big group and famous in Turkey.
Okay. So we're
More
gonna
tea for my generation.
say it with a smile as we do. And I'll tell you guys what the energy is like. So let's go! Let's go!
He said the microphone.
Said what?
Show your energy.
Oh, wow. So guys, here's the zebra crossings. No one's observing it tonight. Oh, we got an observer. Thank you. So guys, we're walking through Ortaca Market. It's about 10 o'clock at night. And Emma Han, is Ortaca Market always this late?
I don't know, maybe having a concert here?
Oh, because of the concert?
Yeah.
Wow. And guys, like, there's a breeze in the air, but it's hot, Emma Han, right?
Yeah, it's
33 degrees, 10 o'clock at night, guys. You can't write it. Let's go find the energy. Well, Tessicola, I feel welcome. Guys, the market is still here, kicking at this time of night. We're getting closer to the energy, but these guys are still out here doing their trade.
Bugünün klibi yapılacak belediye tarafından tüm Türkiye'ye efeler, yörükler, zeybekler, yar ortadan. Ayrılısı bayramda.
Thank you, my friend. Thank you. I feel welcome. Right here, right now, right here, right now. Whoa, my brother.
Çok teşekkür ederim.
Hello!
Emma Han said I'm getting distracted because I'm just looking at the food, guys. Wow. Look how many people are here, guys. Oh my gosh. It is Ramos! Guys, that's what I call some proper Turkish energy.
Bize ne kadar eşlik et.
Guys, the energy in there is strong. I don't know what I'm saying, but I love it! Mad energy. Oh, man. I just felt hand touch Willie, man. Not nice. It's alright for the woman's hand, but it's a man's hand. Ow! Hey! We're gonna stop again and have an alcohol. We're going against the grain. the vibe is good, and that's what we like. We're gonna take a quick break, get something to drink. My mouth is so dry. And you know what? We were so in the crowd that for me, all I could smell was like man's armpits. Not good. The Semikolu has stopped selling alcohol. There's a specific time, 10 o'clock, right? They stopped selling alcohol, but the lady told us there's a shop down here where we can get a beer or so we're on our way. Cool shop. Ooh. Yeah! Cool. Wow, mahaba abi. Mahaba. The street vendor has given me a little slip of paper. What's it say?
You give some dreams, you know, like what you want.
Okay.
Give, you know, you think, you know, now. You
Really?
think now.
He likes it and burns it. Oh well, that's like quite a sweet tradition.
Ne kadar abi?
What's he say?
100 lira tanesi. Abi sen bir şey demedin, ücretli mi ücretsiz mi?
What's he say?
Say 100 lira, you know.
Oh, money,
Arab
wallet.
Abi cüzdan yok ya. Abi yok abi, arabada unuttuk ya.
I didn't know.
Abi demedin ki bir şey ya.
Özür dilerim. Sorry, araba. Teşekkürler. Görüşürüz. İyi akşamlar, iyi geceler. Teşekkürler.
Like and subscribe.
Sorarlarsa öldüm dersin. Böyle gelmiş, böyle de gider.
Gönder yazsın. JD in the house. Kardeş gel. My friend. Where you hiding? You're hiding. Stop hiding. I don't know what they're saying, but I don't care what language you speak, you can feel the energy!
Olsun kaprisyon, bir de uyanaktan bam bam bam.
It's so nice right now. The MC is reflected on any MCs or DJs or any musical artists that have passed away. It's a good thing. R.I.P. R.I.P. And we should be doing the same type of thing for all our music and artists that we've lost along the way. Amazing. Wow, guys. Hit me on my heart. I'm high like a Turk today, baby. Ah! Her köşesi cennetin ezilir yerler için. Bir başkanı benim memleketim.
Hadi kaldır ileri.
Love you, bro. Listen, guys. Thank you so much for watching this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I just want to show you a little bit of the energy from Parents Thursday. The people here are brilliant. I didn't understand all the music, but I love the energy. I love all you guys. I'm going to see you guys on the very next one. Later.
Policeman, if you liked the video, because this man deserves like 1 million subscribers.
Thank you so much, Emmy. I'm trying here. I'm grafting, guys, for you guys. I'm grafting to try and deliver you guys content as much as I can and to the best quality that I can. So please, yeah, hit that like and subscribe if you're feeling the content.
Hit that like button, man.
And I know sometimes you get caught up and you just want to watch it, but hit the like button for us so we can share the content with other people.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks. Good night, everybody.